Hello, this is Jobbanova, and this is my tutorial for Game Maker 7 Lite. Okay, so this is not the pro version, and I'm going to show you how to make a very basic game. Okay, first thing you need to do is build a sprite, which is right here. You can either press this button up here, or right click on it and go create sprite, which is what I prefer. Now here it'll have the name and the button to allow you to edit it. Okay, now let's say I'm gonna make a character. Just be a ball with a line on it, so you can tell which way it's facing. Okay, so there is your basic sprite for your character facing right. You can animate it by cutting, pasting, or copy and pasting, changing it around, and click preview here to have a look. See? Yeah. So there's your first character. With Pro Edition you can make it turn properly, but in this you will have to make it turn with different sprites. So duplicate, edit again, and now we can use transform and rotate. Just do that for each one. So you have it facing different directions. Okay, second thing we need to do, build an object. So right click, create object. Okay. I'd prefer not to name our sprites, but yes, click. It doesn't matter really which sprite, because it'll change when you move it. Just name him. And now to add events, this is where it starts getting hard. You need to add event, press key, left, add event, I'll move this down, press key, right, add event, press key, down, up, add event, press key down. Okay, and now we need to make it move in the direction that we want it to, so down. And the speed 4. You can go copy, paste, right, paste, up, paste, left. Okay, now the next thing you need to do is build a room. Okay, right click, create room, or you can go up to one of these tools up here. I'm not very familiar with them. Okay, so here it'll have a room, and you can change its size and everything, but I'll explain that later in another tutorial. Okay, right now you can click down there and click your character. Click, he'll be there. Okay, let's just run this to test it out. Okay, right now he moves, but he doesn't look like he's going in the direction that you want him to. So now we have to incorporate the changing of sprites in it. Okay, now we go back to him. You need to go to the tools here and go to change sprite in main 1. Okay, drag it in. And so it's the left one, so you make it so it changes to the one that goes left. Okay. Then we do it for the one that faces up. Then right. And then down. And now, when we test it again, now it looks like it's basically moving in the direction that you want it to. Okay, now another thing that we need to do is make something that makes a room a room. So let's make some walls and barriers. So create sprite, edit. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to resize the canvas for it. Click the new thing here. Yep, and you can just change the width to whatever. So I'm going to keep it 32 and then 5. Here we can make a wall. Okay, so I'll just make it black. Okay, see here in the preview how it doesn't look like it? Look like how you want it to? It's because the transparent thing is on, and whatever color is in this corner here, it will make that color on the entire thing transparent. Okay, so there we have one wall. And let's resize it again. 5, 32. Make it black again. Okay, there we have some wall sprites. Now to make them. Create object. Okay, select the object that you want. Now all you need to do is click solid button here. That is the most important thing. If this is not clicked, then it will not work. Duplicate and change the sprite. And go to your man and add event. Make sure you go collision with the object that you want to. And now when you make it, I used to have trouble with this. I used to go with this tool here, contact, which just, except I tried it and it just made me bounce against it and then teleport somewhere. So now we're using this one. Make it so that he stops when he touches it. And we can also go duplicate with the event, collision with down one. And you have those pieces ready, and now you can place them in the room wherever you want. Get rid of the grid or not. Okay, this does not work like other stupid programs like Micro Worlds. If it touches the square that it's in, the square that's made out of, it will not do anything, only if it touches the color. Okay, so there we have just, yep. Okay, now let's test it out. Okay, here we have him again, and now he can move against the wall. This has been Jobbanova, and this is my basic tutorial for GameMaker. Don't forget to check out some more of my pivot animations soon to come.